It's a classic slippery slope argument. You open the door a tiny crack to show off your soft power, and suddenly the whole foundation of the house starts to crumble.
And that's not even getting into the fraud aspect. If there's a huge price gap, you create a black market.
Like scalpers for doctor's appointments.
Scalpers, insurance fraud, you name it. The critic basically sees this as opening Pandora's box. Once big money becomes the primary filter for access, fairness just evaporates.
So what's the solution then? Does the critic just want to ban all foreigners from all hospitals? I mean, that seems extreme. Sorry you're having a heart attack, but you're not a shareholder.
No, not quite. They propose what they call a middle ground, but it involves some very strict gatekeeping. They lay out 3 categories of foreigners who should be allowed to use the system.
Okay, let's hear the list. Who gets in?
First, foreigners who are actually working in China and paying taxes.
That makes sense. They're contributors. They're paying into the subsidy pool. They're functional shareholders.
Exactly. Second, tourists with minor acute issues. You get a fever, you twist your ankle, basic, unpredictable humanitarian care.
Okay, fair enough.
And third, life-threatening, unpredictable emergencies. Heart attacks, strokes, major accidents. The critic agrees you don't let someone die in the street over their passport.
So who gets rejected? Who is the villain here?
The parachuters. People who specifically fly to China to get treatment for chronic conditions that they had before they traveled. The argument is, if you've had a disease for 2 years, your situation is not an emergency. Fly home.
The critic makes the point that a flight to the US is only about a day. You're not going to die on the plane from a condition you've managed for years.
Right. The stance is, this is a planned extraction of value from our system. And the critic is very firm that this isn't about racism or discrimination. It's about corporate governance, basically. Apple doesn't give dividends to people who just browse in the Apple Store.